Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick unboxing. So if you've ever heard of SCENTSY candles, right now they're doing some collabs with Disney, and so of course, since I'm such a Disney nerd, I needed to get my hands on some of these things. And so last week I received this, and this actually came out a few months ago. And I was fortunately enough to find it. Ever heard of SCENTSY candles? Right now they're doing some collabs with Disney, and so of course, since I'm such a Disney nerd, I needed to get my hands on some of these things. And so last week I received this, and this actually came out a few months ago. And I was fortunately enough to find it from my friend who is a sales rep through SCENTSY, and I am going to leave her link to her SCENTSY page and her website in the description box below, so you can go check her out. But she is Sweet Smells with Uilani, and she is out of Hawaii, but you're still able to order from her here in the mainland. I do. There's no additional charge that I know of, so it's awesome. But here, let me show you what I got. And here she is. Look it. So it is Peter Pan, Faith, Trust, and Pixie Dust. And then I'll plug it in so you can see outs in the walls of the candle. And so, but look, and it puts up the stars, and these, I don't know if you can see them very well. Let me see if maybe I can zoom in. But there, do you see the light it casts on the bottom of my table here? So it casts that around the room. And let me see if I can get the stars. The stars down there. There's the stars. One of them there. And there. Cool. And then here's the dish that you put the wax melt in. And this is how it looks. So look at how cute she is. Yeah? And then today I got a shipment, and I already opened it. These are what I got. Oh, and I may or may not have had a hidden giveaway in one of my previous videos of this week. So there's your clue. Go find my hidden giveaway in one of my other videos that was during this week. But this is another one I got. Look at it. Do you know who it is? Can you see the motif? Oh my goodness, how pretty is this? It is the 100 Acre Woods. Oh. So beautiful. And then the honey pot at the top, and look at whose face. Okay, let me here it is. I was like, I know I just saw the bulb somewhere. So we got that on. Sorry for all the clanging. It sits right there, and flick the switch on. Oh, look at it. Let me see if I can shut. Ooh, but I'm gonna tilt it a little to the side so you can see what I see. Look at the motif. Pretty. So pretty. They're pulling. Sorry, it's moving all over. They're pulling. Let's see if I can They're pulling him out of the hay. Oh, so adorable. And the glow, so relaxing, so pretty, yeah? So thank you, Ooh-ee. And so, like I said, they are doing a collab with Disney. Oh my gosh, next month is a villain series. You know, just go check her page out, you'll see. They have villain series coming up and NBC coming up, Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh, so yeah, go check her page out so you can see what she has to offer in ways of Disney. They have other things too that you might like, but they got me at Disney. And then in this reflective packaging, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, they try to cool it off, but oh my gosh, Arizona is 100-something degrees, 110, 11 today, and this ice pack, they tried, is way melted already. But let's see how the melt did with their extra packaging and care, because that was really a surprise that they took the time to do that extra packaging. And I think that they are supposed to be individualized, but because our heat is so hot, there's no way they could have protected it. So if I could get it out, there we go. I can just break them myself. Smells so good. This smell is 100 Acre Woods. Really? It just smells good. I guess that's how the 100 Acres would smell. Good. But also, I saw a tip she left that if you do use these warmers, your melts, you should always stir them, because the scent can not float, but sink to the bottom. So you should always stir it. So yes, like I said, I'm going to leave a link to her SCENTSY page in my description box below, so you guys can go check her out, ask her whatever questions you want, let her know that I sent you, and until my next video, shakas.